Please check this pen for me. Oh, thank you. There's something like this. Please fold it like this. Perfect. Maybe along a little bit. Perfect. Can feel this is just paper bill, right? From US Bank. Watch this. This called pen through anything. But this is a little bit different than your imagination. Maybe I can right here in the center for the touch. You see small little end in your finger to feel real one. Yes. Don't push too hard. Maybe like that. Looks real.
Very real.
I won't restore it. Just show you it's normal pen. Watch this. Real. Looks so real. Okay. Yeah. Please just can you feel this hole? Real hole, real. Nothing in my hand. Nothing sticky. Please feel. Nothing sticky. No. My hand. I mean. Thank you so much. Watch this. Watch this. Nothing. Just let time goes back a little bit. Slowly. Slowly. This hole getting here. If tempo goes back on this bill, right now, right here, slow a little bit, just like completely here, just right here. There's no way, just perfectly here. Oh wait, another side maybe, completely, totally restored, just like a normal bill. And I believe this is the best bill restore ever in the history.
History of the world.
Oh, is there more?
If you want, you can check. You can keep it.
Can you keep it?
Yes.
I give you $1. Really, it's very good work.
Thank you very much.
Selling that?